Hey there everyone, this is my first time ever making a hair video. I've been having a lot of hair issues with product buildup and just dryness, so here's a few things that I've been doing to help moisten it and possibly get some more length. First, what I do is I cut some aloe vera. Usually what I do is I just cut out the jelly from the aloe vera, but this time I decided I'm gonna juice it. And it wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. It ended up having a lot of pulp, so I ended up having to strain the pulp out. Then next I cut some cucumber and juiced that too. Keep in mind that I did juice everything in a separate container so that way I can mix it the way that I want to. So here I'm gonna pour in the cucumber. Next I'll add some soy sauce. Then I'll add a little cayenne pepper. Next I'll add an egg. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. An avocado. Then I'm going to blend everything together, and this is going to be my hair mask for later. Next, I'm going to put some baking soda in a bowl with a little apple cider vinegar. And this is going to help to clear that product buildup I was talking about. Next, I'll put some coconut milk into a cup that I'll later pour into a root comb applicator bottle. So first I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections and then apply the apple cider vinegar and baking soda to clear the product buildup that I was telling you guys about. And then once I apply it, I put my hair into a bantu knot. So that way I can proceed to the next section. So it's not as easy as I thought it was going to be. It actually took some time getting that product on my hair. So I ended up drenching my hair and then trying to apply it using my fingers. And yeah, it didn't work, but I tried. And it did make my skin a little itchy, so I don't know if other people are going to have that issue, but heads up just in case. So I let it sit in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes while it's in its bantu knots. And then I wash it out. Then I part my hair again into 4 sections and apply the soy sauce hair mask with the avocado. And I added in a little hair mayonnaise just for a little bit more conditioning. I learned that my hair has really high porosity, so I really need to make sure my hair is moisturized. So I let this sit with a heating cap for about 10 minutes before I wash it out. To avoid from smelling like a restaurant, I did 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and then I'm going to add some leave-in conditioner. Then I'll add some green tea mixed with the aloe vera that I juiced. I'll comb it out just all the way to the end just to make sure that it's really detangling my hair, since my hair tends to dread really quickly. Next, I'll add some coconut milk. I really want to get my hair drenched in that coconut milk just so it can help moisturize my hair a little bit more with that aloe vera. And then back to putting my hair into the bantu knots. And then I add a little olive oil to moisturize my scalp so it's not so dry. I added a little to my ends just so that way I really moisturized my hair. And then I started to braid my hair into 4 sections. Then I added my bonnet, and thank you for watching.